Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In previous videos or sessions we covered what is an array and linear search, binary search using Java. So this video is and all about using Python, binary search using Python with explanation and code and output also we are gonna see. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Let's start the video guys. To see here. Not code. First practically or logically we are going to complete it, and after that we will execute. Okay, if I want 4, okay, number 4 to be searched whether it is there or not in the array. So first remember guys, for each and every time we are gonna separate it or make it half. Okay, what is the half of this 1 2 3 4 5? As usually here, right? So you are gonna compare, okay, what whether 4 is equals to, that is nothing but whether it is 4 is equals to or same 3, not, right? So we will please make a note here. In binary search, the only thing should be remembered, that is nothing but array should be sorted. Please make a note of this guys, because without sorting of array we can't able to execute binary search. So coming to the point or the topic we are discussing, yeah, whether we are checking 4 is equals with 3, definitely not. So it is not right. So, and please make a note of, there are 3 main variables here. Okay, there will be 3 main variables here, whatever you want. So low equals to 0, high equals to n minus 1, and mid value is nothing but sum of those two variables and whole divided by, sorry guys, whole divided by 2. So what is already we know, a low value is 0, high value is nothing but what, high value, okay, that is nothing but 5, not high value, number of elements I am saying, 1 2 3 4 5 are there. So 5 minus 1, right? So 5 minus 1, that is nothing but 4, and exactly low plus high by 2 means 4 divided by 2, that is nothing but 2, right? So we are gonna check with index 2 first. Okay, that is right, 0 1 2 and 3, as usually 4. So guys, first we searched whether this 4 is in the second index or not. So it is not there. What we need to do, we need to carefully listen here guys, this is the main logic. We need to go this side, okay, whether each and every loop, okay, we are gonna change the position or the searching element, like whether it will be high value, low value, mid value, all 3 gonna change. So now what is the low value? Please pause the video and guess if you already know this answer. That is nothing but L equals to mid plus 1 guys. Okay, L equals to mid plus 1. So if you are tracing the code here, wait, if you are tracing the code here, what will be, mid value is already what, 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3, right? So here you can see mid value is already 2, so low equals to mid plus 1. So we are going to this side, right? So again we need to go with this logic, that is nothing but, and what about high value guys? High value remains the same. Okay, now high value remains the same, h equals to 4 only. Okay, h equals to 4, L equals to 3. And what about mid value? Mid value will be again change guys. Okay, again mid value is going to be what? Mid value is going to be again low plus high by 3, that is nothing but, sorry, low plus high by 2. So low value, what is the low value? It is nothing but 3 as usually. And what about this high value? That is nothing but 4, right? So whole divided by 2 if we are going to do, so 7 by 2 as usually. 7 by 2, if you are doing division, don't take decimal points, okay, just to take that integer. So 3 we will get, right? So 2 3 are 6, so 3.5 will come. So we are going to take 3. Okay, now so guys, again I am telling, low value is 3, high value is 4, and mid value is nothing but 3. So again we are gonna check whether 4, our 4 is equals with third index element. What is the third index element in our array? 0, 1, 2, 3. That is nothing but 4. Yeah, we found. We found, guys. So hope you guys understand. Simple, guys, nothing. First, we are going to take low, high, and mid values. Okay. Again, if our element doesn't match with mid value, we are going to change. Okay. We are going to take low equals to mid plus 1, right? If not, okay, this is the first case. Okay. Whatever we see the example, that is nothing but first case. Now we are going to do what? Second case. For example, second case. For example, I want you know like wait, guys. So what we are discussing, guys. So for example, if my element, the searching element I want is nothing but, let it be, okay, 1. Okay, guys, it will be somewhat tricky. So again I am taking that example. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Guys, if you are taking this 1, so what is the low, high, and mid values first? So make a guess if possible. If you know, I know you already know that. Low value is nothing but 0. Okay, and high value will be as usually 4, because how many elements are there? 5 are there. 5 minus 1, how much? 4. Okay, 4. And talking about this mid value is nothing but 0 plus 4 whole divided with 2, right? So 0 plus 4, that is nothing but 4, and divided by 2 will as usually 2. Okay, and we are going to check. Uh, so up to here, the first initialization is completed. So we are going to check. What we are going to check? Whether this 1 is equals with, wait, yes. First we are going to check whether our 1 is equals with the mid value. No. So what I said, for every time we are going to take half the right. So in the previous logic we went right side because our element found us right side, right? So now we are going to move it this side because it is already sorted in ascending order. So it is located in left side, right? So here another logic will come. There are three main logics, right? The first thing is, if my element, okay, let it be like tr, target, is greater than mid value. So what is the condition there? You are gonna change it as low is equals to mid plus 1. Okay, and another thing is there, if my tr, that is nothing but target, is less than mid, means now that is the case we are searching for this, right? 1, that is the case. We are gonna do high, we are gonna decrease high equals to what? Mid minus 1. If our tr matches with mid, no, that is going to be end. Okay, this is all, guys. So in this case what happens? So our element doesn't matches with 3 and it is less than that. So we are going to take in the first iteration. Okay, I am making as first iteration. Okay, first iteration, what? Low will be as usually 0. Okay, and the high value will change. High value means target is less than the mid, right? So mid minus 1, that is nothing but mid value, how much? Already 2. 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1. So mid value will be again changed to what? 0 plus 1 by 2. What E with equals is 0 only. So we are gonna match again to what? Pause the video and make a guess, guys. So again we are gonna match whether, okay, whether that is nothing but our 1 is, what is the 0th index, guys? Make a guess. 1 is available in the 1 or not. Guys, before going to do that, we missed one logic. Make a guess what it is. Yeah, guys, that is nothing but high value is what? Initially high value is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, we made a mistake, sorry, guys. Okay, okay, let me go with this. Oh shit. Okay guys, no problem, I will type again, wait. Yeah guys, now it is correct I think. So our mid value, sorry, our target is less than the mid value, so high will be what? Mid minus 1, that is nothing but 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, here you can see mid value initially. So 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1, right? So we are going to check again. Okay, we are going to check again for what? Whether our 1 is matches with 2 or not. Okay, again it is no, it is not there. So again we need to make it as half, and we need to go like this only. Okay, we need to go like this only. So again in the second iteration what happens guys? Wait, let me show you. In the second iteration what happens? In the second iteration, so low will be as usually 0, and what is high? High value need to be again. So it is not found there, right? 2 is not found there. So again mid minus 1. So 1 doesn't matches with the, here you can see high value is 1, and mid value, that is nothing but mid value, that is nothing but 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2, which gives us 0.5. Let it be like, yeah, 0.5, let it be like 0. Yeah, you found whether at the 0th index. Now I'm going to change the color because we found it, right? So whether our 1 is available at 1. So finally we found it, guys. So in this way binary search is gonna work. Please excuse me if you can't understand. I tried my level best. So we are gonna do it with practical execution. Let's do it, guys. Guys, you can see here I created an array named ARR, and a target we are gonna enter. And if you know, found as usually I took it is as -1. Now what? That is nothing but same as we discussed in the thing. What is that explanation? So I equals to length of ARR. Okay, and it is going to be -1. And guys, what's about this mid? Mid value will be okay. Anyway, we are gonna assign it, right? So as usually we are gonna take while loop. So making that condition low should be lesser than or equal to high, and we are gonna check with again mid value will be, guys, this is gonna be a major thing or main thing. If you miss this logic now, mid is equals to low plus high by 2, then your complete program will be in trouble. Okay, hope you guys understand why. And after that we are going to check, okay, whether our target is greater than the mid. If it is greater than the mid, for example, I am going to take 3 as a target. So if it is sorry 4, the mid value as usual will be 3. If it is greater, what happens means low value will be incremented to what? Mid plus 1. Okay, and then elif, right? Ah, yeah, elif. What is the another thing, guys? Whether our target is less than the mid value. Okay, then in that case we are going to do simply high will be decremented to what? To mid minus 1. Okay, and for last, what is the remaining thing else? That is nothing but our mid value found. So in that case, what we are going to do? We are going to assign that particular target with mid value, right? So and then as usually it is a while loop, right? So we should break it. Okay, if we not use break here, it will be like a infinite loop, and output will not come. Okay, let me run this whether we are getting or not. Yeah, it is asking enter the element to find. If I enter 3, 3 is not found. What happened, guys? Oh, 3 is not found. Okay, okay, wait guys, let me rectify this or pause the video and make a guess. Yeah guys, the thing is now only I got. See, we are comparing with mid, so it is not like that. Yes, right? Array of mid, the value we are going to check, not with index, right? Let me change all the things. Okay, now we will check whether it is happening or not. Yeah, asking for us if I enter 3, what? List insights must be integers or slices, not float. Okay, guys, it is taking the float value. So here what happens means, for example, 5 divided by 2. For example, I'm saying, or 3 divided by 2. It will give decimal points. For that, we need floor division. Okay, floor division. See, guys, what I want to say is, even though we know the correct thing or correct logic, so many mistakes are happened. So this will be actually happens. Okay, no need to take any tension. So it is taking. Okay, guys, if you carefully observe, we started at 0. Okay, and target is 3. Okay, 3 we entered, so it is as usually decreasing. So at the time of using or printing the target, we need to, you know, uh, found equals to -1. Guys, if you carefully observe, we no need to mention this target. See, genuinely I am speaking, we are getting this much of errors. Okay, it's wait, if I enter 3, 3 is found at 3. Okay, again if I am entering 5, 5 is found at 5. Okay, to make it more understand, um, I'm gonna add some other thing, that is nothing but, okay, space with position and full stop. Now I'm gonna enter, see what happens. If I enter 3, sorry guys, if I enter 3, yeah, 3 is found at 3 position. So guys, this is the way what the mistakes we did is, first we compared with the mid value only, again we changed, and after that, I texted here, what is that, nothing but target, not target, we need to add found, and that is the thing. That's all. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want SQL, HTML, and Python, Java, okay, different type of interview questions, these and are all, it is not about likes and views. I want to improve my communication and coding knowledge. Don't think about others, they are not going to help you, even your friends and all. And thanks for watching, have a good learning, guys.